solemnly swear
Wearing their maroon robes, the senators have taken their oath as senator judges in the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte.
I state your name. Solemnly swear that in all things pertaining to the trial of the impeachment of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, now pending, I will do impartial justice according to the Constitution and the laws of the Philippines. So help me God.
Senate President Alan Cayetano also took his oath as the presiding officer. This marks the formal convening of the Senate as an impeachment court. Presiding officer Alan Cayetano then ordered the issuance of a writ of summons to Vice President Sara Duterte, which she must answer within 10 calendar days after receiving it. She was also ordered to appear before the impeachment court when summoned.
The prosecution may file a reply within a non-extendable period of 5 days from receipt of the answer. The parties may file their pleadings and annexes in person or through electronic mail.
VP Sara's camp, for its part, vowed to comply and file the appropriate response in accordance with the Constitution. They also said they will refrain from making further comment out of respect for the process. New Senate Secretary Jose Luis Montales also took his oath. He will serve as clerk of court and will set the calendar for the pre-trial. In the opening prayer of Senator Kiko Pangilinan, he asked that justice prevail in the trial against the Vice President.
Naway ang magiging pasya, bawat pasya namin ay nakatuntong sa katotohanan, ebidensya at konsensya.
Senator Bongo assured the public he will be fair even if he is allied with the Dutertes.
Handa po namin na maggampanan po ang aming tungkulin bilang Senator Judge. And dapat po maging impartial po kami. Whether Duterte Black, kung anong black man po yan, Pilipino po kami. Dapat gampanan namin ang aming tungkulin. At ako naman magiging impartial po ako.
In an interview with One News's Political Beat, Kabataan Representative Rene Co says she was surprised that the Senate convened as an impeachment court. Co has been assigned as one of the spokesperson of the House prosecution panel.
Well, personally, no, in my personal capacity, may surprise tayo. May surprise akong naramdaman. Lalo na over the weekend, narinig natin, no, paulit-ulit na maaaring magkaroon ulit ng isang change of leadership. Pero ang panawagan naman natin noon at hanggang ngayon, hindi po dapat naapektuhan ng gulo sa Senate leadership ang proseso ng pananagutan.
Malacanang, for its part, says President Bongbong Marcos will not meddle in the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. Palace Press Officer Claire Castro says the trial is the mandate of the Senate, citing the separation of powers.